Hello, good day and welcome to Gnss. My name is Edwin, and on this video we are going to be showing you some of the latest updates on our Survey Master and some of the features that comes with them and how you are going to make use of those features. Now, on this video we'll be talking about area division, so make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms, on Instagram, on LinkedIn and Facebook, and even on TikTok, and as well on Twitter at Gnss Technologies. And also you can like, share, comment your suggestions about this video and also what you'd like to see on our next video, and make sure you subscribe as well. So thank you very much, and let's proceed to the exercise. If you check on our screen, we have 4 points already that we've surveyed on site. Now, what we are going to do first is we are going to establish a polygon using these 4 points, and then you can further do calculation and then do division of the areas into different segments. So first off, to establish a polygon, we are going to click on our quick tools, and then we'll click on draw, and then we'll click on polygon. Now, after clicking on polygon, it's going to ask us to select the points that we want to use to create our polygon. So we'll just quickly click on P1, P2, P3, and lastly P5. Now, we've selected all the points we want to use to generate our polygon, so we'll click on complete. Now, we are just going to rename our polygon as a PLG1, and then we'll click on OK. Now, if you check on our drawing, we have details of our PLG1, which is the polygon we just created now, or the perimeter. As the area we have is 40 square meters, so that's 40.431, and the perimeter, which are all the distances connected together, is 25.560 meters, and the three-dimensional area is 127.159, and then the 3D perimeter is 63.371 meters. So let's proceed. Now, if you check, the area we have here is 40 square meters. So if we want to divide this plot of land or this polygon into 2 equal parts, all we are going to do is to divide this area into 2. So to divide the area into 2, what we are going to have is about 20.441 square meters. So let's do the division now. So the next thing we are going to do is we'll go back to our quick tools again, and this time we are not clicking on draw, we are clicking on compute. So once you click on compute, also you can calculate area from compute, but you don't need to create a polygon for this one. You just need to click on area, select the points here you want to calculate your area from, and it will generate the area for you. But for this test, we are using area division. So we'll come to area division. Now, when we click on area division, it's going to ask us to select the surface that we want to divide. So basically, the polygon or the perimeter that you want to divide, you are going to click on it. So you are going to click on any part of this line, and with that we've selected the polygon. The next thing is going to ask us is to select the direction or whichever line we want to start the dividing from. So if you are starting if you want the plot to be shared into 2 horizontal half or 2 vertical half, you need to select one of the sides that is perpendicular to the way you want it to be divided. So first off, we are going to select P2 to P3. So we are dividing from that line. So once we select that line, it's going to mark it red, and after that we are going to enter the area that we want to divide. So you know our full perimeter is 40.43, so if we are dividing into 2, half of it is going to be 20.21. so we are going to click on the box, and then we enter our area as 20.21. Can even add it as 215, and then we'll click on OK. So as you can see, it has created a line in the middle of the plots, and then we'll now click on OK. sorry, we need to enter the division here. So let's say area 1, then we'll click on OK. See, it has established 2 points. Area 1 at the along the line P1, and area 2, which is it has established 2 points. 1 point is along line P1, and the second point is along line P3 to P5. So that is how to do area division while you're on site. Ordinarily, if you want to do something like this, you will need to export your data to AutoCAD and then do the division on your system. But with the recent updates on our Surveyors side, you can easily do this without having to delay your clients or even waste your time going to look for a system, or save yourself the stress of trying to transfer your data on site and all that. So thank you very much, and see you on our next video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.